so on and so forth. So yeah. Anyways, but those of you guys that have checked out
We're going to the beach today. It's the Fort Myers Beach. Cha cha cha. And we're gonna try to find some seashells and maybe bring some home. Maybe. We have to make sure that they don't have anything in them, like crabs and slugs. Yeah, but we're gonna find some shells, and we're going to have fun, and we're gonna run on the beach. Because I've only been there once, and we didn't stay very long because I was parking illegally in a grocery store, and I was scared. Hi, Larry. What are you speaking?
Dinosaur.
Oh, you're speaking dinosaur? What are you saying in dinosaur?
I don't know.
Oh, don't hit my wall.
I want to see the video.
You gotta do something funny.
I want to see the video now.
Okay.
Okay, we have a selection. Nobody's gonna ever find out what my fingerprints are. I'm burning them all. What are you gonna do? I'm burning my.
I know. We're here at the gas station getting gas from the kangaroo. Circle K. Kangaroo.
Oh, okay.
Circle K. And we have to get $25 worth of gas. Okay? We're going to try to get it right on the money. Right on the money. We're at like... Can you see that? No. Oh, wait. I got it. Okay, gotcha. Okay, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. Can you see it? Okay. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh. Okay, a little bit more. I'm scared. You got this. 7, 8. Oh! Oh well, it's 25:02 it is. Oh well. That was close enough, right? Close enough. Hey! Who is that? Me! Mine! I can find a better parking place. This guy we passed. True that. We're going by, and my aunt goes, "We can go faster than you," and he goes, "Yeah, 'cause you're in a truck." There he is. Okay, you still can't find one.
Okay.
Oh, that's so funny.
No vacancy then.
I'll check in.
Supposed to say no vacancy.
These people are rude.
These people don't have clothes on.
I would roll too if it was hot outside. It's not hot. That's what I'm saying.
Look at all these people at the beach.
Hey, you got me out! One more! We'll be right back! Go back! You. Just chill out. I just like talking.
You know what? You need to stop. We're having a fun day. Stop it.
We're trying to find a parking spot. It's not really working.
Well, you could, but you could drop us off and come back for us.
I won't come back and get you.
Oh, there. I'm so scared.
But I am. I'm taking my fingernails
It says
off.
right there, yes, we're open park. You know what? Whatever.
There's no parking spaces on.
When it says open, don't leave it open.
Parking spot, so.
Then they should be closed.
Well, someone's not going to come in and check.
He's parking $5.
What did she say?
I don't know.
Ask the guy.
Half naked.
Oh, we're coming back now, girl. Yeah.
Oh.
Any parking?
bikini chain.
Oh,
yeah, we don't want that. We'll take some chains though. Thank you.
We made it to the beach.
Everybody made
We're in Florida, so it's not cold. It's perfect. And there's a lot of people here. I'm a little nervous about this. We need to find some place where we can walk along the beach.
I think we should walk the shore.
Whoa. Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, yes.
This is so pretty.
The sand is so cool. It's not hot either. It's just like warm. That's awesome. Oh, watch out for baby sleeping. I wonder if you can see anything through this.
Probably not.
Great camera I've got. I need a new one really bad. That dude's all dressed up on the beach.
Megan, it's really weird to me you're having a camera out.
No, they don't. I just wanted to do it because it's beach. Smells fishy. Woo! Walk this way. Actually, we should walk this way. Because our car is this way, so if we, like, walk too far.
What's the water warm here?
I bet it, man, it's probably really cold.
Oh, that's cold.
Ah! It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, it's freezing. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh.
Should we get some shells?
Yeah, we should pick up some really pretty ones.
We didn't bring a jar.
You can carry a couple.
Look at those kids, they are brave. Those kids are crazy. I could never do that.
Oh my word, they're probably freezing. You see any pretty ones? Whoa. There's a lot of sea-doos and boats. Is there like a celebration?
I don't know, is there?
I don't know. It just seems so odd that there's so many boats out here. Weird. Weird. Oh, weird. A lot of seagulls and a lot of people. Lots and lots of people. Okay, we're gonna find some seagulls. Looks like someone left their beach chairs. Well, sort of. Yeah, I think that's beach chairs. They're just sitting there, just chilling by the water. You know. Because beach chairs like to sit by the water too. By themselves. Without anyone sitting on them. It just makes the life more enjoyable. This water is extremely pretty. It's even better not on camera. Like, if you were actually here, it's even better. Look at the coconut. No, seriously, look at the coconut. Open it. There's coconuts everywhere. Okay, look. I wish I could do that. That looks like fun. But I'm not that talented. And I don't come to the beach very often. Half a show.
It's really cool though.
Keep it. Looks pretty awesome. We have yet to find a whole show. All of them are really broken or... Ah, she threw it.
Dumb.
Yeah, they're broken. Oh, look, a little kitty. Okay. Oh, hey. Little kids like to run in front of me.
Look at he's like, whoa!
Alright. We're still walking down the beach. Still walking.
I don't know.
Is it gonna move? I think it's dead. Hit it again.
I don't want to hit it again.
Oh my god, it's alive!
No, it's not. I just hit it.
Are you sure? Oh, that thing's disgusting looking. What is that, a stingray? No, I don't know. I don't know my animals too well. So we came back across and this animal-looking thing. Look where it is now. And it's, upside down. Ew, ew. Ew to the grossness. If it started moving, I would freak out. Be free! Come on, go, little thing. Oh my God. Okay, get out of here. Out of here. Jamaican man. There's someone singing. Exactly. Under the words to the song. And there's books in different languages. No. No. I don't know. I can't speak. She just said I don't know what that means. There's a lot of books and books a million. I wonder if it's actually a million books and books a million. Like if someone sells or buys a book, that they put an extra book in the store, just so there can be a million books.
You are so awesome.
It's true, don't you think?
Found it.
What'd you find?
Pride and Prejudice.
Pride and Prejudice. That's Madison's favorite movie, by the way. She watches it like 5 times a day. Well, actually she doesn't, but if she could, she would.
Oh yeah, I would.
She would memorize that movie.
Yeah, she would.
Yeah, I would.
Oh, that's not pretty. You could still use it. It's half the chapstick. Madison ate my chapstick one time. I got some from a secret admirer at school when I was in 3rd grade. And I came home and my sister ate it. I was so mad. Yes, you did. You were like 2 years old and you ate my chapstick.
Liar.
I'm not lying. It was for real. I remember getting mad at you because it was chocolate lipstick. And you thought it was chocolate.
Movie. Oh, I'm sorry.
Where is it?
Up your butt. They have a small little village.
We're going to see Beauty and the Beast 3D. We gotta find it. I don't know where's the end. Here we go. Beauty and the Beast 3D. Woohoo! Let's go. Oh my gosh. I recommend Beauty and the Beast to everyone who goes and sees it in 3D. I cried, and I've seen that movie a million times.